Hello guys, and welcome to this video training. In the course of this video, I'm going to show you how to be able to find a niche. Now, for you to be able to find a niche, you have to first understand what a niche is all about. So what's a niche? A niche is all about a category that you like to create your content on. So as a content creator, one of the best steps or one of the things that you need to understand for you to be able to start creating contents is the fact that you need to know about a niche. Now, a niche, like I said earlier on, it can be said to be a category that you want to focus on and create your contents. Now, for you to start creating contents on the internet, first of all, how do you now discover this niche? How you can now be able to see, okay, this is the niche I would like to work on. So I'm going to show you about 3 things that you need to understand first in order to see that you craft out a profitable niche that will work for you. So one of the first things that you need to understand about or in choosing a niche is the fact that you have to understand your passion. So where do your passion lies? Do you have passion in politics? Do you have passion in sports? Do you have passion in software? Do you have passion in tech and the rest of them? So you have passion in health and beauty stuff. So the reason why passion is very, very much important in content creation is the fact that most at times when you are starting up your content creation journey, you don't have an audience that will resonate with you. So what you now need to do is that you need to craft out a specific area whereby when you create those contents, you'll be able to say, okay, people who feels or people who has same like minds like you can be able to come up to your channel and watch videos that you create based on that particular area. So your passion will be able to drive you to create more content, even if you are not seeing any attraction at the beginning of your content creation journey. So that's the reason why content crafting out a passion is very much important in content creation. So all you have to understand is that the fact that your passion is something that will help you to create content even for a lifetime. Like you can be able to create content even without hitching or feeling bad about creating content on the internet. So your passion drives you to create more content, and that is one of the things that can help you as a content creator, your passion. So another thing you have to take note of when in order to find a profitable niche, or in order to see that you get a niche that you can work on as a content creator, is the demand. Now, what's the demand of the idea you have to become a content creator? What's the demand about that idea on the internet? What do I mean by that? For instance, if you go over to here, let me show you something here. Let's go over to YouTube here. Like I'm on youtube.com. So if I go over to search here and I click on, let me just make a quick search. Let me say I want to search for how to install. Let me see how to install. Now once I've written how to install, so what's the demand? Now if you scroll down here, you're going to be able to see, for instance, I'm seeing how to install WordPress in cPanel and the rest of them. So this is something that people are searching for, so which means this is a demand that people are are queuing into to be able to know what or how they can be able to do all these things from YouTube. So if the niche you're choosing is something that falls whereby people like feel like, okay, let's search, or like people are searching on the daily basis about this, something that can be able to help you to be able to choose a particular niche. So when you know about the demand that people are searching on the internet, it can help you to know about a particular niche that you can resonate on. So another thing that can help you in order to see that you get, or you'll be able to find a good niche, is the fact that you have to understand the competition. Now, what's the competition that you of the passion you have or the idea you have in your head? So let's say, for instance, let me go over here and make a search about politics. Let's say, for instance, you have passion about politics. So let me go over here and just search for politics. Let me click enter here. So let's say you have passion about politics. You can be able to talk about things concerning politics. You can be able to do give remarks or reviews about what is happening or trending on the nation as a whole. So this can be a niche for you. So if you're this kind of category, this can be a niche for you, whereby you can do a lot of things about politics. So what you just have to do is to be able to be on trend in order to understand what is happening on the internet, or what's happening on the daily basis about the nation. So let's say, for instance, like I clicked on politics here, and I'm able to see most things regarding politics on this YouTube channel. So you can be able to see that this is a view of how you can be able to get something, or you can be able to even watch these videos and be able to understand the fact that okay, I can be able to do all these things as well. And if you can do something, or you can give a review about most of the things you are seeing there, that can be crafted as a niche for you. So now, for instance, let me also go over here and search for, let me say you have interest in food and the rest of them. So that can be also a niche for you, because on daily basis people key in things on the internet regarding food recipes and the rest of them. So in the next video I'm going to make on this channel, I'm going to show you the most profitable YouTube niches that you can start up and be able to create content on. So and now what I just want you to understand in this video is how you can be able to choose a niche that can work for you. So whether you are doing anything, or whether you feel like, okay, I can start up anything. Like, for instance, I have interest in politics, I have interest in food, I have interest in tech, I have interest in beauty and health things. So you just have to understand the fact that you can start up content creation. You can start up content creation. That's the fact there. So what you just have to do is, first of all, understand the fact that first, your passion drives you because you'll be able to do this in the long run. Second, what's the demand of that particular passion you have? What's the demand of it on the internet? Another thing you have to understand is the competition. Are people competing on the topic you chose to, or the niche that you chose to work on? For instance, on this politics we have here now, if I should scroll down, you discover that this is just like what we have here. For this politics I searched about here, what we have is mostly people who talked about or news media who talk about politics, but you can equally come up to give reviews about what you are seeing on daily basis about the nation, talk about this and give reviews of it, and that can be a niche for you, like I said earlier on. So now another thing you have to understand is, okay, let me just use another keyword here. Let me not only talk about politics. Okay, let me just go over here and search for let's say food recipes, so you can be able to understand what you can do on, or how you can be able to find niches that you can work on. So let me search for food recipes here, and let's see what comes up on YouTube here. So let me quickly do this. Let me click search. Yeah, I've done that. All right, so it's coming up now. So now you can be able to see about food recipes. Let me show you most of the things I needed to understand here on choosing a niche. So let's say you have passion for food, like you like cooking, you like things that you can equally teach people. Content creation is all about you being able to create things that will add value to the lives of other people. You understand? So the reason why it's not recommended that you start creating random videos you need is the fact that it will help you to concentrate on a particular area. This is just like, let's say you go to buy something from a store that sells only shoes, and you are able to see let's say you have two stores you have in mind, and one of them sells only shoes and one of them sells everything, both shoes, sandals and the rest of them. So which one are you going to resonate to buy something from? If you need a shoe, you will directly go to the one that sells a shoe, right? So this is that's one of the reasons why you have to narrow down and be able to concentrate on a particular area. You don't need to create videos all around. So as a content creator, you just have to navigate and concentrate on a particular area. So that's why you are seeing, like I just wrote here, I just make a quick search for food recipes, and I'm waiting for it to load up so I can be able to show you. Now these are things people are creating. Okay, let me reload this. I guess I have an internet hitch. All right, so let me reload this page so you'll be able to see things that people are talking about around food recipes. So this is to show you that no matter what you feel like you can do on the internet, you can just create content about it. Or even if you are a fashion designer, you can create content about fashion design. Even if you are anything at all, you can create content about. So even if you have passion for health and beauty, like you can be able to, you're in the makeup space, you can be able to also create content about how you make people up, like how you design and the rest of them. There are many things you can do on content creation, so you just have to find your niche. Like I said earlier on, you have to consider these 3 factors, which is first your passion, because your passion drives you to create new contents even while you are not getting attraction from, for instance, YouTube or any other video uploading platforms like Facebook or any other social media platforms as well. So another thing is demand. Who are demanding for that particular video, or who are demanding for to be able to watch what you are creating contents about. So, and the third thing is the competition. Most times, the reason why the competition is mostly recommended when you are creating your when creating contents is because the competition tells you if it's something has been saturated over on the internet, if sometimes it's saturated on the internet, or if it's something that you can just queue into and be able to drive a lot of people easily to your contents. So that's why content competition is also something that you need to take note of in order to see that while creating content. So understand the competition about such niche you're going into. So if it's a niche that a lot of people has, let's say it has been saturated all over the internet, you might find it difficult to rank, or you might find it difficult to be able to appear as one of the best. I don't know if you understand. You might find it difficult to appear as one of the best content creator in such niche. You might find it difficult to appear as one of the best content creators in such niche. So that's the reason why you have to understand the competition. And if it's something that is very much saturated, if it's something that is very much high, you just have to navigate and see a way you can tweak that your niche in order to see that you get a set of people that are not much that or navigate and find a way to concentrate on people who are not much interested in such high profile niches. So that's one of the things you can do. So in the next video, I'm going to show you tools that can equally help you to find a niche, and as well I'm going to show you how you can be able to find popular niches based on your interest on the internet. So in the next video, I'm going to show you all this. So see you in the next video.